don't got a net.
Why you got that rod tip so low? Pick that rod up. Swing them. That's a big Shirley. Diggity dog. How come I ain't getting no bites, Sam?
Well, you know what I do? Sorry, I let net. You just don't have to.
I don't really. I mean, I use a net with customers, but be honest with you, up here like this, it's easier just to swing them.
Well, I get the slide mine.
You want him?
Hell yeah. It's clean. That's kind I like. How far down are you?
Just the length of the rod.
Hell yeah. Them damn things. I'll take them lilies and let you have the lilies.
Yeah.
No, I really got more.
Let me
damn
tell you
fish
something.
giving than,
See that?
Uh-huh.
If he's bigger than that, I can get a nice fillet. And them little fillets, they are so tasty. So tasty. Tasty, tasty, tasty. Woo. Ain't gonna get hot today, boys and girls. Got that wind blowing about 10, 15. Got one of them high fiber fish?
Almost Big Shirley alert.
Secret, Sam, secret. Can't tell my secrets.
Well, hell, I'm fishing on credit any damn way.
I was down 10, 11 feet.
As you say,
That rascal wasn't going nowhere fast.
it always helps. Big Shirley alert. Big Shirley alert.
Ow, that was my toe, young man.
Get that Hercules.
Woo, that son of a bitch almost jumped out the boat, Sam. Hot diggity dog.
That tater chip.
Oh.
Man.
Do you see him hit it and come up with it? You see him come up, see the line get loose after he hit it?
What the hell are you doing? I ain't doing.
I'm pulling it down 3 feet.
Huh?
I'm pulling it down 3 feet.
From 10 feet.
Yeah. So I'm at basically 12 feet. That ain't no big shit.
Almost.
10-inch fish. Ooh, in the hard part of the mouth.
It's hard to do whole big hits right here. You got the
8,
horse.
9, almost 10.
You got the horse.
Go at it. Oh, getting Sam.
Damn, you wearing my ass up.
There you go, Sam. You get him, Sam. Just a butter bean.
Young man, go tell your mama.
Give it to the birds. That'll keep.
You keep it. You got the horse here today.
Woo! Paper mouth. Paper mouth. Fish tacos.
How do you make your fish tacos?
Terry makes them. I don't do much cooking in the house. Terry's the cook. Fish tacos.
You want me to put them back in?
Put them back in where?
In let you videotape.
Nah, you get another one. Woo! We didn't get Sam's on video, guys. I had the camera up. I thought it was on. Oh well. Hit it. Pick it up. You see the line get loose? You didn't see the line get slack? Grabbed it and swam up with it. Get him, Sam. Get him. Butterbean.
There's tacos now. That's the ones I want right there. You can have all them nuggets.
Oh my goodness, that rascal still got his diapers on, Sam. Alright guys, how many did you count them? How many is on
30.
No, on the top. What we caught today?
Oh, I didn't count them. Yeah.
What is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Only caught about 14, 15 today, guys. It's been tough out there. We had to call it. You look at the weather coming in, starting to rain now. Getting windy. It's going to be nasty this afternoon. They're calling 50-mile-an-hour winds. I got a trip tomorrow. I'm going to look at the weather this evening. I don't know if I'm going to have to cancel. I don't know what the weather's going to do in the morning. Crappie fishing so bad. I'm going to talk these guys in, pulling some mini-max for some stripers and hybrids down at the dam. Alright guys, till tomorrow. I got a trip Saturday as well maybe. Alright, till next time.